Hi everyone, my name is Saloni and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a really interesting topic. Interesting, yeah, because it is related to investment. I am not going to discuss like how the investment is being made in the company. Rather, I am going to address the mistakes or the probable errors that can be done on the part of company while taking the investment in the company. So basically the investment is a really important and a crucial event in the life of a company, and it should be dealt properly by the company. So through this video I will share all the probable mistake that you can avoid while taking the investment in your company. This video will be useful to the founders who are taking investment in their company, the professionals who are performing the investment compliance on behalf of the company, or any other trainee or student of law who wants to know about such probable mistakes. Okay, so I will share these mistakes in the form of a small video for ease of your watching. So let us get started with the video. So majorly most of the company does their investment by following the procedure of private placement, and the procedure of section 42 of Companies Act is to be followed by the company while it is taking investment through private placement. And several events have been observed where several companies have made several mistakes in complying the provision of section 42. So one should be very vigilant while complying with the provision of section 42. In this video, we will be discussing first such mistake. The first such mistake is delay in filing Form PAS3. Form PAS3 is a return of allotment which is to be required to be filed within 15 days of date of allotment. But this looks very simple, but several companies have been making the mistakes in complying and filing the Form PAS3 on time. One such mistake is done by one of the company named Alpur Solar Private Limited. The company has delayed in filing Form PAS3 by from the date of its allotment, and a penalty of around 6 lakh rupees was imposed by Registrar of Companies on such company. The link to this order is attached to the description box. You may have the reference of the same. And timely filing is always preferable over delayed filing, because delayed filing will not only levy the penalty on the company, will also bring several other burden on the part of the company, and being a professional it becomes very difficult to justify to the founders why we have delayed in filing Form PAS3. I hope this video was useful to you. Please do watch the another video on the series. Thanks for watching.